Hey guys, let's talk about drivers, specifically drivers that are not on a machine. So a driver that a person would use by themselves without any large piece of equipment. And that's what we have behind us. This driver right here that he's driving with is, we call it the Bull. This is a very robust, durable, little to no maintenance at all driver you can count on. It uses air to run that piston inside there up and down. So we don't have a gas motor attached. It hits a lot harder and drives the post faster than most of the smaller gas-powered drivers. It does weigh more, and you're tethered with a hose to the driver. So you're not quite as free to move around. You do gotta have a hose ran out to wherever you're driving. So there's some advantages to having a gas-powered driver. You can throw it on your shoulder, run up the wood, go to the job sites far away. There's also some advantages to having a harder hitting, less maintenance, durable, consistent driver that we have like this one. What this one's really good at is driving residential sized posts. So we find it very user friendly and very effective at driving I-posts or driving 2 3/8 steel posts for King Plus or for vinyl privacy or vinyl fence, no dig. And here we're doing I-posts for aluminum. So definitely a go-to driver for our crews. Every single crew has a Bull on the truck and a compressor to go with it. You cannot just use any compressor for it. You have to have a compressor with a significant amount of CFM to power that driver head, get it in the ground. They have different drive caps, different collars for the Bull. I haven't done it yet, but you can drive up to 4-inch diameter steel posts. You can drive T-posts, you can drive grounding rods. They have different collars to fit all of those and different drive caps to fit them. And you can even drive a post master with it as well if that's what you want to do. But there you go. Go-to pneumatic driver is the Bull on a residential job site. That's what we love to use.